bonjour la classe. In case you had trouble this week with évaluation personnelle, you can watch this video and we'll help you out. So online people, and again, if you need me to reset something, just let me know. Merci. Try not to wait till the last minute. For each set of clues, choose the logical choice from the drop-down menu. Un film goes with what? Yeah, un cinéma. Très bien. De l'art? Where did you have a lot of art? Oui, un musée. Très bien. Ne pas déjeuner à la maison. So if you don't eat at the house, where would you eat? Some things could work. You could eat at the park or at the mountain, but mostly makes sense is at un restaurant. Yeah, un restaurant. Patiner, to skate. Don't want to skate in the museum or the hospital, the church. Bando could work. I'm going to go with un parc, skating at the park. Des médecins. Looks like medicine, but it's actually doctors. So is des médecins. Doctors are at the right. Un hôpital. Un hôpital. And ne pas barvader. Barvader is to chat or to gossip. So you don't want to chat or gossip. At a musée works too, but they're going to pick at the église. Don't want to chat at the church while he's preaching. And explorer et escalader. Climbing and exploring. You're going to climb. Oui, une montagne. And nager. Bien sûr, look at your vocab list. Have it in front of you. Une piscine. And prendre un café à une table dehors. So an outdoor place is usually the terrasse de café. Terrasse actually means outdoor seating. Like we have some places around Lynchburg, like Mellow Mushroom and some of those that have the outdoor tables. So une terrasse de café. And en ville, mais pas au centre-ville. So centre-ville is downtown, but we have a word for just the suburbs, like really, we're not downtown Lynchburg, but we're on the suburbs, so just une or la banlieue, banlieue. All right, assemblée. Make a sentence. Here we go. We have Arvid et moi. So that's like the new form, and we have to conjugate the verb here. So we're going to fréquenter. You drop off the ER, and what do you add for new? ONS. Fréquentons. Oops. Les musées. So nous fréquentons les musées. How about mes amis? Now explorer. Drop off the ER, and you add for mes amis, it's like ils, so ENT. Explore le marché du dimanche matin. So just conjugate in the verb. Daniel et toi, vous. Vous. Now passez. Oops, you're going to take off the ER. What do you add for vous? Easy. Chez moi, my house. Dans la journée. So you pass by my house during the day. And we have dancing. On danse, conjugate. One dances sur la petite place. At the little square or the place out there. And tu invites. What's the ending for tu is? Yes, you got it. Tu invites Nadège. She's a person. Au cinéma. Au cinéma. And when you have ne pas, where does the ne pas go? It goes right around the verb. So je ne déjeune. Take off the R. Pas. I don't eat lunch. Chez moi. Dans la semaine, during the week. Je ne déjeune pas chez moi dans la semaine. All right, think of some places. Again, you should have the vocab list either written or a copy of it to look at during this. Il y a beaucoup de messes. Masses. Mass is what you have when you're Catholic. It's like a Catholic church service. So what's the word for church? You got it. Église. Église. And le matin. Oops. Oh well. Le matin, nous quittons la. So in the morning, we not quit the house, but leave. You leave the house. leave the house. Quittons la maison. And tu trouves un sac dans un grand... Where would you find a bag that you want to buy? In a big store, maybe? Dans un grand magasin du centre-ville. And mon ami Luc est sportif. Il fréquente la piscine et le... If he's a sporty guy, he's going to go to the gym, probably. Oui. Let's see what happened. Oh, we got them all. Tout correct. Formidable. À bientôt. Oops.